Girls, do you know what we're making today?
Bird feeders.
Bird feeders. We are making bird feeders. I recently heard something that was very shocking to me. 1,500 water bottles are used every second in the United States. Every second, 1,500 water bottles are used. That is just a very sad thing to hear. So I wanted to not only be conscious about recycling, but figure out ways that we can upcycle plastic bottles because we use a lot of them here in the United States.
It's a shocking number to hear, but America has a staggering amount of waste, and the demand for manufacturing plastic bottles has reached an all-time high. Americans use 50 million plastic bottles on average per year, according to an anti-bottle campaign, Ban the Bottle, and just 23% of those are recycled. If lined up end to end in a straight line, these bottles would wrap around the earth 190 times. Plastic bottles are not only hazardous to our health, they are highly toxic to the environment. Cities like San Francisco and Concord, Massachusetts have banned plastic bottles on city-owned properties to help offset this concerning issue. So today, I want to share a simple craft that will give these bottles a second life.
So what you'll need, obviously, is a leftover water bottle. You'll need the yummy bird feed, some scissors, something to hang your bird feeder from a tree, and then some items you can pick up, even like little sticks. You can use paddle pop sticks. You can even use kitchen spoons, wooden spoons, which is always neat. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take off the lid, and we're going to grab a pair of scissors and a bag of feed. Cut a little corner because we want to funnel it. See right here, guys, watch this. We're gonna go like this, really, really tiny little corner cut. Good teamwork. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do next, guys. I'm gonna give you some paddle pop sticks. Why do you think we need the paddle pop sticks?
To spout it out.
To make a hole for it to go in so that the bird can peck away and the bird can stand on the paddle pop stick.
Oh, that's why I
Yeah, or if you have a stick like this for a bigger one, you can put it all the way through. Okay, so I'm gonna do mine first, and I'm going to just put a little hole down below right there. And on the other side, here, I'm gonna put another hole. Once we push it through, it's just about finding the hole on the other side like that. Perfect. Now with the paddle pop sticks, you're only gonna go in halfway, but then we're gonna do that again at the top, and then once we've done that, we'll snip down below a little slit for the bird to peck away. So everybody can take these and you can put a little hole on one side, and I'll give you some paddle pop sticks. Or would you like to use sticks? Sticks, okay, there you go. And what would you like to use? Paddle pops, oh, okay. Would you like me to help you with yours? Okay. Hold your bottle like this in your hand, like this really tight, and push a little hole like that down below. Okay, we can put the paddle pop stick inside.
like that.
Yeah, and if you turn it to the side like this, if you turn it to the side, then the bird can sit on it like that. So you can use any sharp object to get that slit to put, obviously, your sticks and what have you inside. But if you're working with kids, obviously, you may want to do them yourself or supervise. Let me see yours. That looks great.
It's like stairs. Hop, hop, hop.
I think the birds are gonna love it. Now that you have your sticks in place, you're going to use your lid, and I'm gonna do this for you girls. You can take another sharp object, and you're going to push on the top of the lid and just make a little hole. The next step that you need to do is grab a piece of string or wire and place it through your lid. And what we're gonna do is put both of the ends inside the lid. Once we've done that, girls, and we've got it through our lid, both pieces of string through the lid, we're gonna go ahead and make a knot at the bottom. Great, I'll put mine on. Got mine there, we're gonna put it on the top there. And voila, it's that simple. We've created bird feeders. You know what the last step is, girls?
Hanging them.
Hanging them, but before we hang them, what we're going to do, this is now the time that you go ahead and make a little tiny snip. You just want to take your scissors, okay? And at the top there, you're just gonna get inside and make a little cut for the bird. And there you have it, a bird feeder.
I guess yours isn't only a bird feeder. I guess it's also a bird merry-go-round.
that's so cool. It's going round and round and round. And the birds will go round and round and round for this feeder. It's simple, it's easy, it's creative, and you're doing something to save the environment by not putting this plastic bottle in the trash right away. But when you are finished with it, make sure you recycle. Should we go hang these girls?
Are you a crafter on the hunt for your next project? We've got tons of quick and simple ideas for you to try. Just visit athomewithdidiayer.com. You'll find tons of creative projects from my craft room, along with step-by-step tutorials, guest crafters, and 5-minute DIYs. The ideas are as endless as your imagination when you visit athomewithdidiayer.com.